Hey guys, welcome back to my tutorial series about TypeScript and JavaScript. Today we will learn about functions in TypeScript and JavaScript, what is the difference, why to use them. So why we use functions? Function is basically just that we don't need to write repeatable code. And also if we call a function, we can pass parameters through it. So every time we calculate something, we just don't need to write the full functions. We can just change the parameters we use for this function. And what I mean with this, I will show you in this video. So first of all, how to declare a function in JavaScript. In JavaScript, we write the keyword function. Then after this, we say the name. Then parentheses open and close. There's the parameters inside of it. And then after it, the brackets where we say what the function can do. And then there's something new, the arrow function. In a later video, we will learn the difference about the normal function and the arrow function. After the arrow function, we will see how to call this function. To call this function, you don't need to use it in a function, but I said I used a call function in JavaScript that you can see we can call the function from everywhere. In this case, we are calling the call function in JavaScript, and this function is calling the create function in JavaScript and the create arrow function in JavaScript. So this one is calling this two above here. So, and this is pretty simple. It's only in JavaScript. Now we come to the fun part, using TypeScript. In TypeScript, we can pass through parameters. You can see it like here. You can call this anything you want. Then we do a colon, and after the colon, we say what type we expect the parameter to be. So in this case, the parameter 1 is type string, parameter 2 is type number, and after this here, colon boolean, is returning the return value. So we say here return true, and the opposite would be false. You can return number or anything else which fits your function. So after this, how to call the TypeScript function. You can see it here, const result, because we are returning something. It is best practice that you write it back into a variable. If you don't know what variables are, check my my last video. I will talk about this. And there you can see string parameter because we expected a string. And at the second position, we say 1 because we expected a number. If we now change this number to a string, we get an error that we was expecting a type number, but we pass through a string. So, and then what are overload functions in TypeScript? This is really helpful. So you can declare the function name multiple times, but it's different when you call this function with the parameter type string. You call this one. If you call it with a number, you call this one. And if you call anything else, like an object, array, boolean, or anything, you call this one. Here's the example. This is both valid. If you liked my video so far and love the tutorial series, leave a subscribe to my channel and comment down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.